Are you tired of digging through Semrush's cluttered dashboard to find your organic traffic data? Learn how to get your key insights in just 3 clicks. First, we'll organize your projects with folders. Then, I'll show you the exact path to the Organic Traffic Insights report. Let's dive in. First, head over to Semrush Folders to take control of your data. Then, click on the first highlight to select it. Now, click on the second highlight to proceed. And finally, click on the third highlight to continue. Next, click on Organic Traffic Insights to open that section. Then, click on the highlight to select it. Finally, click on Get Insights to generate the report. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.